Hey guys, my name is Juan Carlos Morales. I'm born and raised in Puerto Rico, and I just had the pleasure of spending a full day with the man himself, Cherif Medawar. Our mind is blown right now. We learned all about funds. So if you're like me and you're trying to break into the real estate space and you're trying to scale and grow, and you have a million questions about how to do so, you can either Google it and try to figure it out, or you can simply just hook up with Cherif and their team, which are amazing, very professional, very thorough. There's nobody in Puerto Rico or maybe like around the US that has the amount of experience when it comes to understanding real estate, syndications, legalities, negotiation. There's like so many things that you can learn. So if you are that person that really are serious about going to the next level, stop Googling and check out Cherif Medawar program. Highly recommended.